Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk to you again about a vision softly creeping, came to me while I was sleeping, and its seeds that were planted in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. In my dream I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestones, neath the halo of a street lamp, turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, shattering the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools, I said, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, touch my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoing in the well of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they'd made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. The sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, within the sound of silence.